Okay, we're gonna start this. This is a defrost heater, and the sensors which turn it on and off cycle it. There's the refrigerator, General Electric, POS, GS, H. Whatever it is. POS. There's the back. I've already taken it apart. Sorry about that, guys. But I already took it apart. And this is the inside. The heater. See those two? That's where the heater goes. Two small screws, tiny screws. Hold it up. No big deal. There's the sensors. You clip them close to the sensors. Splice them in. Put it back up on the tube. On either side. That's pretty simple. Now the old one, I don't know where the old one is. Well, anyway, the old one was black. The tube was black. See in there the tube? You can see the spring, the heating element. So it doesn't matter. The old one checked good. Doesn't matter. This water dispenser had a heating element behind it, a little tiny flat thing, and it failed. So the water line froze up. Now if you see those holes, I'll tell you in a minute. I cut this open, scraped out all the insulation, took out the heater, put the line up against those holes, put duct tape over it so that the heat from the outside would hit the line, and then backfilled it with great stuff, and then put the door back in. Yeah, it's garbage, but a new door is $600. They offered to send me another door. This is what's going to be the difference. Still going to have the same problem. So anyway, there you go.